Have you ever wondered why the wealthy continue to grow their fortunes? It's not by chance or luck, it's because they own assets. Assets are things that put money into your pocket instead of draining it. And here's the secret: the more assets you own, the wealthier you become. But not all assets work the same way. Some increase in value over time, others generate passive income, and a few do both. So, which one you should focus on? Let's explore 15 powerful assets that are building wealth for people right now. Number 1, cash. The power of flexibility. You've heard the phrase, cash is king, but is it really? Well, sort of. Cash gives you control and allows you to seize opportunities immediately. But holding too much cash, that's a silent wealth killer. Inflation constantly reduces its purchasing power. Imagine saving $10,000 today, only to find that in a decade it buys far less than it does now. So, what do the wealthy do? They keep only what's necessary, enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses, and then invest the rest in high-yield savings or short-term investments to keep their money working for them. Number 2, real estate, the wealth builder. Real estate is one of the most time-tested ways to build wealth. Instead of just sitting there, land and buildings appreciate in value. And the best part, you can generate passive income at the same time. Buy a rental property, let tenants cover your mortgage and watch your equity grow. It's a win-win. If dealing with properties isn't your thing, real estate investment trusts allow you to invest in real estate without becoming a landlord. It's like owning a piece of real estate through the stock market. Number 3, bonds. Stability and security. If you prefer low-risk investments, bonds offer predictable income and the financial stability. Government bonds provide security, while corporate bonds offer higher returns. Want to diversify effortlessly? Bond ETFs bundle multiple bonds into a single investment, making it an easy way to learn steady returns. Number 4, stocks. Your ticket to ownership. Want to own a piece of company? Stock allows you to just do that. When the company grows, so does your investment. Wealthy individuals don't just save money, they invest in businesses that generate profits, and thanks to compounding, a long-term stock portfolio can turn small investments into massive wealth. Number 5, mutual and index fund, effortless investing. Picking stocks can be tricky, but you don't have to. Mutual funds and index funds let you invest in hundreds of companies at once, spreading the risk while ensuring growth. Fun fact, studies show that most active investors fail to outperform index funds over time. So, why stress over stock picking when you can invest in a broad market and let it grow? Number 6, business equipment. Tools that make money. Businesses rely on equipment and tools, whether it's a restaurant's kitchen appliances or a construction company's bulldozer. These aren't just purchases, they are profit-generating assets. Many businesses lease equipment instead of buying it outright, creating a stream of income for those who own them. Number 7, patents, the innovation jackpot. Invent something unique, you can own the rights and earn money for years. A patent allows you to license your idea, collect royalties, or sell it for a fortune. Some of history's wealthiest individuals have made their fortunes this way. Number 8, trademarks, the power of a name. Brands like Nike and Apple didn't just happen. They build recognition and trust through trademarks. A strong brand allows companies to charge premium prices. This is why businesses invest millions into branding. It's an asset that keeps on giving. Number 9, brand and reputation. Trust equals profits. A business with a strong reputation enjoys customer loyalty and long-term profits. That's why successful companies focus on quality, customer service, and consistency, because trust translates into sustainable wealth. Number 10, people, the driving force behind wealth. Businesses is only as good as its people. Skilled employees drive success, and companies that invest in their teams create huge long-term value. The best businesses invest in training, leadership, and incentives to build a high-performing workforce that fuels profits. Number 10, commodities. The inflation hedge. Gold, silver, oil, these assets hold value even when markets crash. Wealthy investors diversify into commodities because they protect wealth against inflation. Number 12, digital content. The passive income machine. Imagine creating a book, an online course, or a viral video once and earning money from it forever. That's the power of digital assets, from ebooks and online courses to YouTube content. These assets generate scalable, passive income with minimal upkeep. Number 13, royalties. Earn money for life. If you write a song, publish a book, or create a blockbuster film, you can earn royalties for years. Some of the highest earning artists today are still making millions from work they did decades ago. That's the power of passive income. Number 14, exclusive rights. Owning a money-making system. Instead of starting from scratch, some people buy into successful business models. Think about McDonald's franchise owners. They don't need to invent a new burger chain. They buy the rights to a proven system and profit from its success. Number 15, first mover advantage. Dominate your industry. Getting in early on a new industry or technology gives you a massive advantage. Companies like Amazon and Uber became giants because they entered the market before everyone else. The first mover advantage is game changing. The secret to wealth: let money work for you. The wealthy don't trade time for money, they own asset that works for them. It's time to take action, pick an asset, start investing, and watch your wealth grow. This is Finance Gate, your guide to financial success. Subscribe now and let's build wealth together.